New at 6, even with millions of dollars coming to Wisconsin to replace lead service lines, it still will not be enough to get the job done, at least for another 60 years.
Yes, the I-Team's Sean Gallagher details the challenge the city faces in replacing more than 60,000 service lines that potentially could be carrying lead into your home.
This is one block on one street in the city of Milwaukee where lead service lines have been replaced. Milwaukee recently hit a milestone of replacing 5,000 lines filled with contaminants that can provide potentially lethal health hazards, namely for pregnant women and children. But knocking out 5,000 lines is a drop in the bucket compared to the work ahead.
We have a little over 65,000 according to our records.
Patrick Pauly is the head of Milwaukee Waterworks. He's tasked with figuring out how to replace all of these lead service lines. Since 2017, no more than 1,000 lines have been replaced in a single year.
Is 1,000 lines a year good enough?
65 more years is too long. We are in agreement with that.
Money coming to Wisconsin from the Biden administration will help put a dent in the daunting number of lines to be replaced.
The first year, the state of Wisconsin has been allocated a little over $48 million. 49% of that is principal forgiveness, so a little over $24 million. And so that is to be distributed throughout the state of Wisconsin.
It's unclear how much Milwaukee will get, but money isn't just the city's problem. It falls on property owners too. The average total cost is around $11,000, which is split between the city and the homeowner. If a property owner volunteers for a replacement, they're responsible for 100% of the private side. That's around $5,100. And the utility pays 100% of its side. But if there's a planned project, a leak, or a pipe breaks on its own, the property owner only has to pay around $1,700.
It just doesn't seem fair, really, for somebody who wants to improve the quality of water at their home to have to pay, 2.5, 3 times more.
That's another topic that will be under discussion with the mayor's office and the council, whether or not the program can accommodate a owner-initiated request, and understanding that the cost efficiencies come when we can program full blocks of replacements at a time.
Pauly also cites workforce shortages and supply chain issues as speed bumps to getting the work done.
We are seeing delivery dates 6 months out, when in the past it's been 30 days.
Despite these challenges, Pauly maintains the city is on track to meet its goal of 1,100 lines replaced this year. He's also adamant Milwaukee's water is safe.
Our source water out of Lake Michigan, and we're blessed to have a source water like Lake Michigan, is lead-free. The water coming out of our treatment plants is lead-free.
All avenues need to be remediated if we hope to protect future generations of people.
Richard Diaz is the chairperson for the Coalition on Lead Emergency, or COLE. The group works to educate and raise awareness about lead in Milwaukee. He says while any amount of money towards lead abatement is good, there needs to be much more.
If you look at other cities, they realize that it's not just going to be public sector dollars that replace our lead service lines and that abate homes. We need to get buy-in from philanthropy.
Since the lead problem in Flint, Michigan grabbed national headlines, a lot of focus has been on high lead levels in the water. But it's far from the only culprit in this crisis.
That's why we have our name as COLE, the Coalition on Lead Emergency. We're not the Coalition on Paint, not the Coalition on Water Emergency. We're the Coalition on Lead Emergency.
Reporting for the I-Team, I'm Sean Gallagher.
And the Wisconsin DNR will divvy out that federal funding to cities across the state. It's expected to release its intended use plan for cities in the fall.
Researchers discovered that elevated levels of lead can lead to lower test scores among African American students. That from a new study out of Duke University. They found black students are disproportionately exposed to lead in racially segregated neighborhoods, and those stressors are linked to poor test scores in reading among black youth in comparison to their white peers. The study's findings based on surveys of more than 25,000 fourth graders in North Carolina.